Hi guys, welcome back. Up the camp. I'm going to do a bit of Oztent action for 3 days. So I just pulled in, put the Oztent up and just sorted my kit out. So a stunning day. First time I've used the Oztent here, so it's going to be really nice. It's bad weather tomorrow, so I thought I'd bring this. You know me, normally I'll be in my hammock or sleeping under the stars if it's really nice weather. There's only one new to the channel. This is an RV2 Oztent. Bought it this weekend because the front canopy would keep me out of the rain. So it's a great piece of kit. So I bought this on top of the landy, on top of the roof rack. So it does look good in this woods. So Becky's inside to give it some scale. She's going home shortly, so sit down there, Beck, so people get a good sense of the scale of it. So like I said, if you haven't seen it before, you get 2 adults and a small child in there. But I'm going to use it as a cook area, sitting area when we go in the landy, and obviously use a rooftop tent to sleep in. So I've got best of both worlds. How's that, Becky? Nice airflow through there?
Very nice.
Feel the air coming through?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice.
Lovely colour as well. Wipe your feet, boy.
Nice camp. Sit there.
So me and him will be sleeping in there tonight, and I'll show you that later. I'll get all my bedding in there and sort it out. I don't know if to use my bed chair or to use my inflatable mattress. So
oh, will it fit the bed chair?
it'll just go, it'll overhang a little bit, but then I'll have the porch. But I might just have the bed chair outside just for lounging on and
Yeah, sounds good.
put the inflatable mattress inside.
How many days you got here for?
I might do a couple of years,
year,
yeah, a couple of years. Nice bell tent will be nice up here. Especially think about that for the winter, it'd be gorgeous. The wood burner in there,
Yeah.
big pile of wood. But let's not talk about winter because it's nice now, isn't it?
I know. Yeah, it's only starting to get hot now, isn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, very nice. Maybe a river trip on the cards would be nice.
Yeah.
Back down to
Trisux.
yeah, down to Wales.
Wales.
Right guys, catching a bit. I'm gonna go and get some bed in, and Becky's gonna do me a nice home brew.
Am I?
So that's me set up, guys. Buster's sleeping in here tonight, so he'll be next to me. I know some of you guys ask where he sleeps. He either sleeps in the landy or he's sleeping with me tonight in here. So it's ideal for 2. Becky's gone home now, so like I said, all set up. Think about dinner soon. Enjoying the peace and tranquility. But like I said, I haven't had this out for a while, the Oztent. This is a lovely piece of kit. So I thought I'd give this a try. Show you guys what it's like Oztent camping. If you're thinking of getting one or you like the look of it, very comfortable, and we'll see what it's like tomorrow in the rain. Obviously I've been in the rain before with it, but it's lovely and cosy. So nice bit of ground dwelling. I do like mixing it up. You know, I think if you can find different ways to sleep, you know, rather than being comfortable in just in one thing and being subject to one way of sleeping, then you can pretty much sleep anywhere. But very nice, and the breeze coming through there is lovely. Through the fly screens, it's just lovely and cool in there. What do you think, boy? You like your bed? No snoring tonight, please. rustled that up, guys. One of my favourites. Chicken tikka pie and beans. Really quick and easy. Just threw it in the pie iron, sorry. Heated the beans in the can on the fire. Quick and easy. So, lovely meal. Weather stunning. Food stunning. Tent stunning. More can man want, eh? Like I said before, guys, any of you thinking of getting out there, doing a bit of camping, just need that extra push. Well, I'm giving you that extra push now. Even if it's just to get out and cook yourself a pie and a few beans. Really nice. Can't beat it. Buttoned up all the Oztent now. Me and Buster are going to chill out in here, doze off, so that'd be really nice. I'm just going to put the fly screen down on the front. And happy days. Good night, guys, see you in the morning. Morning. Great night in here last night, really cosy. Slept like a log, woke up in the fireplace. So I just had my coffee and I'm going to go on a couple of mile walk and I'll see you when I return. Cheers, guys. I just got back, guys, and whack the kettle on, have a nice coffee and think about breakfast. The heavens are just open, so it's another rainy one. They did forecast it though, hence the Oztent. The canopy under here is awesome. You know, you can cook and everything under here without getting wet. Oh, nice cup of coffee. So I probably won't light the fire today. Wait till it clears up and then maybe cook on it later, but luckily I've got my gas. So I'll do me cooking here. Have a bacon and mushroom roll, I think. But that's a lovely system, you know, get up in the morning, 1 cup of coffee and then I'll just go for a 2 mile hike with the dog. And then that's him done pretty much for the day. Ooh, she's chilly. You wouldn't think it was June. It's probably about 11 degrees today. Cheers, guys. Heart of the woods, guys. It's getting there, guys. So what a great move with the Oztent. It's been raining since I come back from the walk. I'm just doing a bit of whittling under here. It's a real downpour. I think it's in all day actually. So I'll chill out under here, maybe have my dinner under here if it doesn't dry up. But clearing up tomorrow. So I think me Mrs Bushwacker's up tomorrow, so that'd be good. And I think Louise. So I might give Louise that little love heart. I've made Mrs Bushwacker one last week. Heart of the woods, as I say. So it's 4 hours of rain, guys. It's finally stopped. The Oztent's been absolutely brilliant. Bone dry. Absolutely wonderful in there. So I just had a little bit of a siesta. And I prepared the fire. So the fire's going nicely. Everything's a bit damp, so dry everything out. But hopefully that's the last of the rain and that sun will push through. It'll be a glorious evening. That fire's stunning. So I'm going to have chuck a couple of jacket potatoes on later and have that. Just can't beat jacket potatoes on a fire. Getting hungry, boy, are you? He's always hungry, Buster. So the workstation's been brilliant. I've been chopping wood earlier on here, cutting wood, processing it. When Mrs Bushwacker comes up, we're going to have some kebabs. I'll probably do them over there. The wind's getting up. That's the great thing about building a nice big fire. Less maintenance and doesn't go out in the rain. Don't bother with small fires when you've got damp conditions. Make it big, make it last. So I've carved these two, one for Louise, one for Becky. It's kept me busy. Now it's stopped raining, so I'll finish them off at home, give them a rub down. They'll be good to go. The rain's back again, guys, unfortunately. Like I was saying with the fire, I've got a good foundation there, so hopefully that's not going to put it out. I'm glad I'm not in my bed chair. As you can see, I was just sitting out in the sunshine. It's caught that a good one. That'll soon dry off tomorrow though. I'm glad I'm not sleeping on that tonight. Nice cup of hot chocolate, guys. Oh yeah. Just chilling out in the Oztent. Got myself a Whisper bar as well. So it's been a mixed bag today really, with weather. Looks like another downpour's imminent. It's going to go on through the night. It's lovely spending time on your own. Really get to know yourself. And I'm pretty happy with myself. Especially when I've got a Whisper bar and a hot chocolate. I don't know what I prefer really, the Oztent or the rooftop tent. They're both equally as good. Both equally waterproof. You see the rain we had earlier. This hasn't had no water ingress. no condensation, but then I've had the fly mesh down last night. That was beautiful in there. But long term, this would be quite nice. Very comfortable. At least you can stand up in it, get changed. That's one thing with the low tents, like the Lavu and the, you know, in the one-man hiking tents, you can't stand up. That's a double chocolate helping, that is. I'll have to go at a double pace tomorrow on my walk. But no, I thoroughly enjoy this Woodland. It's so nice. And it's amazing when you spend time outside. When it gets dark, you start getting tired and you wake up when the birds are calling in the morning. So your whole body clock changes. I'll probably go to bed about 10ish, 9:30, 10ish. And get up again about 4:45. Cup of coffee in the morning. Fill me water bottle up, and then a nice 2-mile walk. I've got a little circuit around here now, which is really nice. But I was thinking earlier how fit you'd have to be if you had to go out hunting every morning. Be walking miles to bring back breakfast. You'll be super fit. Especially if you put in all that effort as well and come back with nothing. Yeah, you definitely got to be fit. But I didn't have a chance to get on my crossbow today. Been a bit wet. But I'll have a go tomorrow if I can squeeze it in with Mrs Bushwacker coming up and Louise. They'll be up tomorrow. About midday or something. They're going to do an overnighter. So it'll be nice to see them. It's the life, boy, isn't it? Eh? He's definitely not missing home. So it's more rain. I think me and Bus are going to retire now to the... Definitely staying here now. We need it though. See why England's so green. We're going to chill out now, guys. And I'll see you in the morning. Morning, guys. Was it wet last night? Rained constantly. So I got up this morning, still raining. Put on my jacket, had a cup of coffee and sat out in it. So just got back. Gonna get that fire rip roaring, I think, and dry out. So that's a wet weather fire. Collected some branches on the way back. Tried to light it when everything's damp. Just keep your skills up and running. Always try and collect a bit of wood on the return.
Like your little table, Dean.
What are you making there, Mrs Bushwacker?
I don't know. I feel the need to make something, and I don't know what.
So the crew's turned up to keep me company. What you brought me to eat, Mrs Bushwacker?
Some chicken, and thought you could knock
Kebabs.
some kebabs up. Yeah. Use of my new knife.
That's the lynx. Give us your
I need a belt now.
Give us your first opinions of it.
Nice. It's better than your big clumsy boar, isn't it?
Don't knock the boar. I want the whole collection, really.
You try that one. What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice. Really nice. It's just the right. It's a nice size for carving. Yeah, that's a nice little knife, that is. So what's your little knife you got there then, Louise?
I got it at the bushcraft show. Field Master.
See how Mrs Bushwacker's getting on with her kebabs. She's making kebabs tonight. I think Louise is going to cook them. How's things going in the kitchen area then?
Yeah, very good.
Oh, made them yourself?
Of course.
What have we got on there then? Tomatoes, shallots, chicken, peppers. What's the sequence then?
There you go. Red pepper, green pepper, chicken, green pepper.
So it's red pepper, green pepper, chicken, 2 chicken, red, green, chicken, tomato, shallot.
Yep.
Absolutely beautiful. Nice with a teriyaki sauce. Really finished them off lovely.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Morning guys, day 4. Back off the walk, coffee's on. Get myself into a nice little routine. Mrs Bushwacker come with me this morning. And she's chilling out around the fire. How'd you like the walk, Mrs Bushwacker? She's really chilled now. It's lovely getting up, having a quick coffee and then going for that 2-mile hike.
See how you've grown. While you roam
You made another spoon.
streets all alone.
I'm alright.
All you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
So all packed up now guys, that's 4 days done. So enjoy the great outdoors guys, and I'll see you on the next one. And I'm trying to grow my channel a bit guys, a bit more. So if you watch this video, if you're new to it, please subscribe, it doesn't cost you nothing. Cheers guys.